I've been sailing through the static, fighting the gray, searching for a light to guide me, take the clouds away. Then I saw you walking down the shoreline sand, like a dream I never wanted to end, taking my hand. Your smile is the sunrise, warming up the blue. Nothing in this world compares to the rhythm of you. And the tide's pulling us a little bit closer. Feel the heartbeat steady and nobody knows you like I know you. Under these palms tonight, everything's feeling so right. 'Cause you're the ocean and the sun in one perfect view. Yeah, you wash away my worries, keep me feeling brand new. From the islands to the mainland, girl, you're the one, my golden horizon, my ocean and the sun. Oh, yeah, my ocean and the sun. They say love is a journey, maybe a wild open sea, but with you it's just smooth sailing, just you and me. No need for a compass, no need for a map, just the bassline rocking while I'm caught in your trap of love, sweet love.